Hello, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial will be on how you can create timestamps for your videos using the Builderall platform. So what do I mean by timestamps? So if you have a video, and I'm going to use this video as an example when we build this video timestamp within Builderall. Basically, what the owner of this video did on YouTube was create timestamps, as you can see here. So if I click on any one of these timestamps, it'll automatically jump to that section of the video. So in other words, if I want to click on this one, it's automatically going to jump to the 7-minute 47-second mark. So you might be a trainer, or you may have a team of people and you put out weekly videos, and these videos might be 1 hour or 2 hours long. So what you want to do is you want to give your team members the option of jumping to a certain section that they want to learn about. So what you would do is create a timestamp for your video, and that allows your users to jump to a certain section right away instead of starting from the beginning and waiting to that section to occur within the video. So let's go over to Builderall. Now I already built a page that mocks this timestamp, and what we're going to do after I show you this, we're going to create this from scratch. So basically I have an image here and an overlay over that image that makes it almost look like transparency here. And then I put a couple links here. And what this is going to do is once I click on it, it's going to open up a pop-up, and then it'll bring me directly to that section of the video. So now I'm going to click play, and now you can see it automatically jumped to the 12-minute mark, where it starts that particular song in this video. The same thing with here. It automatically jumps to the 21-minute mark. So what I'm going to do now is close out of this, and we're going to go to our HTML editor, and we're going to recreate this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a background, or basically a banner, and we'll make it a certain color. I'm going to right click on the banner, click appearance. Now I'm going to click on colors, and I'm going to change the background color to, maybe we could do this or that. Let's go back to this color. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to add an image element. So we're going to come over here, click the plus sign, click on image, click on that. Let's close this out. Let's resize this. Let's center it. Now let's change out the image. Brings up my gallery. Now you have the option of uploading an image from your PC or your Mac by clicking this, but I already uploaded the one that I want, and I'm going to select this one. Click on confirm. Let's recenter it. Looks okay. Let's resize this a little bit. Center it. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to create an overlay over this. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a box. Click OK. Let's resize this. center the element. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to create it like a transparency. So I'm going to right click on this box, click on appearance, click on colors, and I want to change the background color of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select more colors, and I'm going to change the transparency of it. As you can see part of the image now. Let's keep on going. Let's see. Let's go over here. Let's make it just a little bit more. There we go. That looks okay. Let's save this. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to create, add some text to this box or this overlay. So I'm going to click on that, click on text, just click on that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just type in the name of the song. And I'm going to do a second one, Heartbreak Hotel. So let's do this, edit this, let's bold these. We can center it. We can change the color of the text. Let's see. Let's do white. Okay, that's fine. Let's bold this one. Now what we want to do is create a pop-up. So basically what we're going to do is in Builderall, once you create a pop-up, that pop-up is going to be available to all your layouts that you have. So I'm going to click on add the element, click on pop-up, and as you can see I already have two pop-ups for this because I created it before. So I want to be able to duplicate this. Let's go ahead and duplicate it, and we're going to also duplicate this one. Okay, let's close out of here. Let's close out of that. Let's click on save. Click save. Let's go back here. And I want to show you something about the pop-ups. Let's do this. Let's edit it so you know exactly what's happening here. When you edit it, you're just doing the name or title of it, so that's fine. Let's see. Okay, so that's fine. So what we want to do is now we want to link this, so once the user clicks on Jailhouse Rock, it opens up the respective pop-up and loads the video to the correct section of that video. Let's highlight this text. Now we're going to click on this chain link here. And now we want to link it to a pop-up. So what we want to do is we want to select the copy one here, select OK. Let's do the same thing for here. Heartbreak Hotel. Let's link it to a pop-up. Click OK. Let's close out of this. So let's go back to the point where we add a pop-up. Now I know what I did before was I duplicated the one that I had before, and what I didn't show you exactly how to create a pop-up. So let's click on Add Pop-up. I'm going to select the blank option. I'm just going to name it Test for right now. Click Confirm. I must already, okay, Test 2, I already have one called that. Let's do this, Confirm. And what I want to do is add a video to this pop-up. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, click on Video, Audio and Video. I'm going to select this top one, and as you can see, it adds it behind the pop-up. So what you want to do is you want to grab it and place it right on top of the pop-up. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to configure it so we can do that. Now there's two ways you could do this where it automatically jumps to the right section of the video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this here. And let's see, I want to share. If you go to the YouTube video and scroll to the section that you want, click on Share. And if you see down here, it says Start at this particular point. And watch what happens to the URL for YouTube. So what it does, it takes a timestamp in seconds and places it at the end of the YouTube URL. So basically at the end of the YouTube URL, puts a question mark and then a T for time equal, and then it converts the minute and seconds to a total number of seconds. So now I'm going to copy it. Let's go back to the editor. And now what I would do is I place that YouTube URL in here. And if I click Confirm, what's going to happen is once the pop-up gets engaged, the user clicks the play button and it'll automatically start at the right section. The other way that you could do it is you could put this section in seconds again, 1269 over here, and eliminate this parameter from the YouTube URL. So I would do this and then put 1269 after that, and it would perform the same thing. So let's cancel that out. So that's how you create the pop-up. Let me delete this. Okay. Now, since I already created the links, let's test this out. Click Save. Save again. And let's test this out. Here we go. And that's how you do it.